Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing the crime of direct assault. Direct assault. The crime of direct assault is governed by Article 148 of the Revised Penal Code. Under Article 148, the crime of direct assault is committed by any persons who, without a public uprising, shall employ force or intimidation for the attainment of any of the purposes enumerated in defining the crimes of rebellion and sedition, or shall attack, employ force, or seriously intimidate or resist any person in authority or any of his agents, while engaged in the performance of official duties or on occasion of such performance. From Article 148, there are two forms of direct assault, to wit, first form, without public uprising, by employing force or intimidation for attainment of any of the purposes enumerated in defining the crimes of rebellion and sedition. Ang una ay paggamit ng dahas o pananakot para makamit ang layunin ng rebellion o sedition, pero dito po walang public uprising o hayagang pag-aalsa. Otherwise po, rebellion or sedition mismo ang krimen na nagawa. This situation is very rare. What are the elements in order for this form to apply? First, that the offender employs force or intimidation. Ang nagkasala ay gumamit ng dahas o pananakot. Dito, hindi sinasabi kung sino ang nagkasala, so any person. Second, that the aim of the offender is to attain any of the purposes of the crime of rebellion or any of the objects in the crime of sedition. Ang pakay ng nagkasala sa paggamit ng dahas o pananakot ay ang mga layunin ng rebellion o sedition. The crime of rebellion and sedition were already discussed in our previous videos. Check the link on the description box down below. Third, that there is no public uprising. Walang hayagang pag-aalsa. Next, second form, without public uprising, by attacking, by employing force, or by seriously intimidating or seriously resisting any person in authority, or any of his agents, while engaged in the performance of official duties, or on the occasion of such performance. Ito naman ay paggamit ng dahas o malalang pananakot o malalang paglaban sa taong considered person in authority o agents of person in authority, habang ang nasabing tao ay ginagampanan ng opisyal na tungkulin. Itong second form ang common na klase ng direct assault. Ano naman ang mga elements ng second form? First, the offender makes an attack, employs force, makes a serious intimidation, makes a serious resistance. Second, the person assaulted is a person in authority or his agent. Ang biktima po ay person in authority or his agent. Third, that at the time of the assault, the person in authority or his agent is engaged in the actual performance of official duties. Yung person in authority or his agent ay kasalukuyang ginagawa ang opisyal na tungkulin. Or, that he is assaulted by reason of the past performance of official duties. O ang dahilan kung bakit siya na-assault ay dahil sa nakalipas na ginawang opisyal na tungkulin. Fourth, that the offender knows that the one he is assaulting is a person in authority or his agent in the exercise of his duties. Dapat po yung offender alam niya na person in authority or agent of person in authority ang biktima. No knowledge means no lawlessness or contempt. Fifth, that there is no public uprising. Take note, we will discuss who is a person in authority or agent of person in authority when we go to Article 152 of the Revised Penal Code. As you might have noticed it, we discuss the crimes or topic per article. Sa direct assault in the second form, may dalawang klase din po ito. First, simple assault, and second, qualified assault. Simple assault pag wala yung mga qualifying circumstances. So, kailan naman may qualified direct assault? Una, when the assault is committed with a weapon. Ang assault ay nagawa gamit ang armas. May baril siya, knife o iba pang armas. Pangalawa, when the offender is a public officer or employee. Ang nagkasala ay public officer or employee. Pangatlo, when the offender lays hand upon a person in authority. Take note po, person in authority lang ang tinutukoy sa pangatlong qualified direct assault. In case of a person in authority, actual force is not necessary because mere laying of hands is sufficient, such as by pushing him. Ganito po, pag person in authority, sabi natin kanina, actual force is not necessary. So simple direct assault lang kung di mo siya hinawakan o nahawakan, such as hinamon mo siya sa away, pinagsisigawan mo siya, etc. Magiging qualified direct assault siya pag naglay ka ng hand sa person in authority, such as hinila-hila mo siya o pinagtutulak o sinaktan mo mismo. Pag agent of person in authority naman, actual force is required because mere laying of hands would constitute simple resistance. So dapat sinaktan mo talaga siya before maging simple direct assault. Simple at hindi qualified. Pag binugbog mo si agent of person in authority, simple direct assault lang yon. Pero pag binugbog mo si person in authority, qualified direct assault po yon. Pero pag sinaksak mo si agent of person in authority, qualified na po ito kasi gumamit na siya ng armas. Paggamit ng armas is within the category of the first qualified direct assault. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.